Thanks for taking the off-ramp to adventure. This video is for car lovers. We're taking some of our favorite footage of some awesome custom cars and hot rods, along with some great car owner interviews, and putting them here. Cue the logo. Enjoy. Is this a sunroof? Is that a sunroof? Look at this. Look at that. You can see the engine. Oh man, there was some creativity went into this car. They said, I don't want just a plain average resto mod. I want a Skyliner like nobody else's. You got it, buddy. Okay, I've just found the car that's going to make this whole trip worthwhile. You wanted a Corvette? Here's your Corvette. Look at this. Air horns. I don't know if those are real coming through the hood, but this guy is. Check this out. This is the door handle. That's how you lock it. Of course, it's woody on top of everything else with the Buick holes. And it's got the white wallow tires too. Okay, this is kind of a Frankenstein thing, but man, it is so cool. Look at this. You got tachometers there, amps. Well, I don't know what the flashlight's for. Maybe it's for looking at it at night. I don't know. But I love the duct tape accents, don't you? And look at this steering wheel. This is one of those kind of cars I would just love to go down the road, especially to the beach, Mom, because they got ports. You know what I mean? Oh, wait. I almost missed them. I got skis too. And skates from like the 1950s, 60s. Now, those things used to go on your shoes. That's back before they had skates with shoes already on them. You just nailed your feet. No, you didn't. They fit around your shoes. This car is known as the Hawaiian Hillbilly. Did you see the running boards? It's a picket fence piece. You'll never run short of water. And you always got a place to open your brew. And you know, the toilet paper thing too.
Olds 88.
1959 Olds 88. Wow, this is, did you have to rebuild it?
I've had it 30 years. I practically rebuilt it from the bottom up.
So you've had it 30 years.
Yeah.
Working on it slowly, evidently.
Yep.
Wow. You've done a great job. Even got the fender skirts. What do they call those?
Teardrop fender skirts.
Fender skirts, I thought.
Yeah.
Look at this. This is what you want to go to the drive-in in.
Just did the new seats. I'm still waiting
It's
on
got an
my
air conditioner.
headliner material, and I had a windshield replaced. Solid black, no two-tone paint. The interior was charcoal and white.
Wow.
And I changed it all up.
Loving this. Loving this.
Thanks for talking to us.
Oh yeah.
Appreciate it, yeah. A lot of what we're seeing today is people fixing up modern day cars. We want to find some stuff. Oh, hang on. I think we found something a little unusual.
I think you found it.
I think, yeah, you want to see this. It's kind of an up-to-date Dodge, but one little extra, yeah. I think this is the zombie apocalypse truck. Yep. Zombie outbreak response team. I think we've had this on a video before. Look at this, your choice of bats. This one's got some barbed wire for you there if you know, choose. And some fuel, of course. And this is where you put the zombies, right? One last thing. Look at this. The saw blade. Does that come out or did somebody throw it at the truck?
Oh no, you haven't seen the last thing.
No?
Come this way.
Oh. I missed something. What did I miss?
Put the camera down that way.
Oh my goodness. Okay. Talk about putting your best foot forward. Okay, we're going back in time now. We got a chopper, rat rod, and rat fin. It doesn't even look like it would run. Look at the rats. Rat rod. $150 or best offer? Well, they can't mean that's how much they want for the truck. But then again, it does need some work even as a rat rod. But wait, you can go trolling with it. Okay, I'm sold. Can you believe this is a dually? Is this a dually? No. It just got ultra thick tires on it, and it's a dump truck. The very own dump truck. I love it. Especially love this interior. A little sneak in there. Look at that. Oh man. You gotta check out the bed. Look at that. That is like polished. I gotta talk to the owner of this. And look, some NOS. Just in case you need some. Okay, so it's Brazilian rosewood that's in the bed. It's actual wood.
It's actual wood.
Did you polish it like that?
No, the guy that built that, when he put the clear stuff on, that's the way it is.
Wow.
That's been done. It was done 27 years ago.
27.
Yeah,
oh,
this
man.
is a 27-year-old build.
Wow, that is awesome.
Yeah, I mean, my chrome ain't shiny as it used to be, or my aluminum, but
Looks good to me. We actually thought it was like a veneer, but he says it's like this thick with polyurethane, like what, 5 inches? It's awesome. 27-year-old build. This is where I know my wife would love to be here. Vanessa loves these old Volkswagens. I think it goes back to her time in high school. And this one with the trunk, with the suitcase up front, that is so cool. Remember these guys? These whole lanterns? Oh man. And nope, not for sale, ever. See, this is more my jam, right there. Oh, look at this, look at this, look at this. This is like almost mint 69 Chevrolet Camaro. I wonder if this is for sale. Huh. This thing has the original windshield wipers. Wow. You talk about original, this thing doesn't even have an 8-track in it. Just AM FM radio. I want it so bad. Okay, I was going to ask you, what is one thing about this car that no one knows? But you just told me.
Yeah, my dad and my uncle raced a Henry J in the late 60s, and that's what gave me the love of it. My dad's helmet is up here, and a picture of a certificate he won for winning at Bullitt Speedway, and this is his car.
Back in the day.
Yep, back in the day. You can see the old tow bar and everything on there, how they would have got them to the track back then.
Wow, that is so cool.
Yeah, that's what got me the love of it. I had that picture of my dad's car, and he passed away when I was 3. So that gave me I wanted one.
Yeah. All right, Dean, thanks so much, man.
You're very welcome. Thank you very much.
One of the very first Corvettes. Oh man, 1955. Look at this glass. It used to be the cigarette smoker's glass. You just pop that open, smoke, flip out your ash. And yes, it's got the white wallet tires, of course.
For $135, you could get the V8 put in your Corvette versus the one that came off the line.
For $135 extra, you can get the V8? That's highway robbery! $135. You know I'm kidding, right? Yeah, $135 for a V8. Man, of course,
Can you imagine what that would cost now if you went online to buy something and you added a different engine?
No.
Is that right? I'm saying it was an engine, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Act like I know what I'm talking about. But, I mean, $135 to get a V8 engine in a car.
Of course, got a good shot of the back. Now, something sinister. Literally. What? You're not car shopping, remember?
No, but the seats are done in a spider web.
Ooh, let's take a look. Oh man, that is cozy. Seriously. I see you looking at it. I see you looking at it.
What?
Uh-huh.
The bicycle over there?
No, oh, she's playing dumb now. Okay, I get it. Anybody in for a little tea bucket action? I'm going to try to keep my shadow out, but it's hard to do at this time of the day. Oh, slick. This one is for my wife. I think this is the one that was in our drive-in theater video. There can't be two this color. Don't worry, I haven't forgotten you Rad Rod fans. Check this out. I love this. What? Dual quads? Spittoons? Look at this spider web welded on the front and on the headlights. This guys is a rat rod. Love it, love it, love it, love it. Oh, got a tiger in its tank. If you like today's adventure, give us a thumbs up, all right? And consider subscribing. It's absolutely free. Oh, and speaking of subscribers, thank you to all the subscribers we gained over the last month. It's amazing. You guys have just overwhelmed us. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Don't forget to click the notification bell so you know when we make a new video. Don't forget, adventure is as close as the next off-ramp.